Hi, welcome to this video. To build a custom habit tracker in Notion, you need to create a new table database, add checkbox properties for each daily habit, and set up formula to calculate your completion percentage, right? Or you can just use AI. So, a couple seconds ago, I just told AI, Notion AI, that I want to build a custom habit tracker. They asked me like, if you want example A, right? Or exhibit A, name, active frequency goals per week, category, color icon, and the database number 2, right? Exhibit 2, daily log, date, habits done, notes, etc. Right? And third exhibit is views you like use in the daily log, right? And habits, etc. So I told Notion AI that I'm choosing database number 1, and they created it for me, right? So you can add your habits in habits, right? Each day, create or open today's entry in daily log and select the habits you completed in habits done, right? So basically everything is set up for you. All you gotta do is just pick it up from there, right? So consider liking this video, subscribing. It really helps with the channel. Till next time. See